morning, Kinder. Today is Thursday and we are learning about science. And remember, this week we are learning about weather. So, again, what is weather? Weather is what we see in the sky and how it feels outside, such as it's cold or cloudy. And remember, we've talked about the different types of weather that we see. So, for example, it can be hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, or clear or cloudy. So remember, I told you to look outside and look at the type of weather that there was? Yes, that's what we did yesterday. So we can look at what kind of weather we had depending on, what day it is because weather changes every day. Now, here we go again. It's just a reminder that weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, or stormy. And here's some illustrations to help you remember what each one of these weather can look like. Now, how does weather affect what we do every day? And remember, weather affects our daily decisions because it kind of tells us if we're able to walk somewhere or if we have to drive. If it's too cold or too hot, we might have to drive somewhere. We can't necessarily walk. It also affects whether we do something inside or outside. If we have a party and, we wanted to have a pool party, it would have to be, I was going to say sunny, I'm sorry, it would have to be summertime or it had to be hot outside. So it affects what we do. It also affects what we wear, which is what we're focusing on these past few days is what we wear. And then we talked about how it can affect what we eat because there's some fruits and vegetables that only grow during different times of the year. So it also affects what we eat. Now, since we've been talking about what we wear, the other day on Tuesday, I showed you some examples of what the weather can look like and also what we wear on that specific type of weather. So we talked about sunny, we can wear short sleeve or sunglasses like it shows right here. We talked about cloudy, when it's cloudy, sometimes it's a little bit colder, so we would wear a sweater. When it's rainy, we would wear an umbrella or a raincoat, just like the ones here. When it's windy, we could also have to put on a sweater, maybe because it would be a little bit chillier or colder. When it's snowy, we know it's really cold, so we would have to wear a scarf and some mittens to help protect ourselves and more clothes. And then when it's stormy, we would have to, try to kind of stay inside. But if we had to leave outside, we would wear a raincoat or, probably both the raincoat and the umbrella. All right. So if it was snowy outside, I would see it something like this. It would be a bunch of snow outside. Everything would look white. The trees would be kind of empty. The leaves would be gone because it's snowing. So this is probably around winter time. And so now I want you to think, what would I wear on a snowy day? Hmm. Well, this doesn't fit me, but this is something that you could wear on a snowy day. We would have to wear, layers of clothes to keep warm because when it's snowy, it's chilly outside. So you would have to wear some warm shoes, some warm type of jacket or vest, and then, some long sleeve clothes and some long sleeve pants. I mean, some long pants, I'm sorry. And so this is the type of clothes that someone could wear to keep them warm during a snowy day. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to get some clothes first. Find some clothes that you would wear on a snowy day. So it could be a jacket, or anything with a long sleeve because it's cold. And then show me what shoes, pants, and jacket or shirt you would wear on a snowy day. And then I want you to take a picture of it. You're gonna put it on your bed just like I did or on the couch and take a picture of it, and then you're gonna post it to Class Dojo under your Science Snowy Day portfolio. Okay, so I'm gonna name it Science Snowy Day, and I'll put the day on there too so you remember. And so this is your homework or your work for today. All right, my friends, thank